Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to this script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Whity Umeda. Whity Umeda is a large underground shopping area in Umeda, Osaka. It's connected to many train stations such as Hankyu, Hanshin, Osaka Metro, and JR. This makes it easy to walk and shop even on rainy days. Many local peoples and tourists use this underground space every day. Whity Umeda is about 1.2 kilometers long and has over 190 shops and restaurants. You can find fashion, cosmetics, souvenirs, sweets, and many places to eat. There are restaurants for quick meals and cafes for relaxing. Recently, the area around Izumi no Hiroba, Fountain Plaza was renewed. It's a new, modern, and stylish, and very popular with young people. One popular topic is many photo spots and art walls in the underground areas. Many visitors take photos to share on the social media. There are also seasonal decorations and events, so each visit feels new and fun. Whity Umeda is also connected to many shopping malls, department stores, and hotels in Umeda's area. It's a great place to start your sightseeing or shopping in Osaka. If you visit Osaka, don't miss the fun and useful underground world of Whity Umeda. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.